Hello everyone, we are COMP4321 students of Group 10 and today we'll be presenting our search engine project. So first, we will start by making sure that Docker is already installed. So assuming that Docker has already been installed, we will follow the instructions set up in the README file. So we'll start by building the containers. So our setup is a double container setup. So we have a front end and a back end server. And after the container has been built, we will execute into the shell of the container, the back end server at least. So after we do this, we will run this Maven Spring Boot command. So as we can see here, the Spring server has already been set up, but although it says that the app is already fully initialized, actually we have to wait for this command, for this line to pop out in the console, which states that the search engine application has already started. So now we can see here that the search engine application has already started. So this is the initialization code of the search engine. So afterwards, if you use Mac, we will have to fix a CORS issue. So it is a security restriction that prevents CORS from running. So after that, we can simply type this command to initialize Google Chrome without the restrictions and type localhost to access the search engine. So first we have like 5 different features. So the main feature is a vector space query model. So first we will try uh, searching Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Yeah, so as you can see, we have loaded the results of the top results. So here we can see this is the highest score. And we can also find out that we can represent phrases as words as well. So in this case, Hong Kong with quotation marks. And the score is different because this one is more selective. Yeah, so now we proceed to bonus point one. So for this, we implement the get similar results feature. So we'll get the 5 most used keywords and make that into the new query. Okay, so from just now, we've pressed the get similar results, and here are the results. As you can see, the score is much higher with this. On top of that, we can also select keywords. So this is a list of all the keywords that we have compiled from the project. So we can press like a few keywords, for example, Katsuragi, Brodsky, pronouns, then we can press filter and this will search based on the keyword. So here we can see that these are the results displayed. Afterwards, we also have a query selector, which is use cookies to cache the previous search results. So we can see we have already searched many different things before. Yeah, so for example, when you search sex and the beauties, this will be displayed in this result. Lastly, we also implement bonus point 6, which is regarding the page rank. So page rank is irrespective to the query that we input. So it's purely based on inlinks and outlinks. And on top of that, we also implement a combine PageRank, which uses half the weights of the vector space model and half this ranking of the PageRank to calculate the new score. So that concludes the demo. Thank you for listening.